So hello guys, I am Brian R. Inoy, 20 years old, third year college in BSIT, major in Electrical Technology in Jose Rizal Memorial State University, Dipolog Campus. So I am here today guys to explain to you what is a customer and also the difference between the external customer and internal customer. So first, a customer. So based in Google, a customer is a person or businesses that buys goods or services from another businesses or organization. Customers are important to business because they drive revenue and growth. So a customer guys is not just only a person nga makapalit sa company or sa business, but also customer sad ang tawag sa businesses nga mo buy siya og goods or services to another businesses. So next, we will discuss what is an external customer. So based in Google, an external customer is a person or businesses that purchases a company's products or services but is not directly employed by the company. So in another source, an external customer is a person who is not directly connected to your organization other than by purchasing your product or services. So that means muna siya ang external customer is muna siya ang mo buys or maka-receive og services gikan sa business nga dili siya employed or dili siya connected sa company or businesses. So next, atong i-discuss unsa ang internal customer. So based in Google, an internal customer is a stakeholder within a company who receives goods or services from another part of organizations. So, on the other source, internal customers are people within your organization who receive goods or services from another part of your business. They are stakeholders who might be employees, subcontractors, partner businesses, or individuals, or by some definitions or suppliers. So, ang example, ang kaning internal customer, mo ni siya ang employees or a person nga inside sa company or businesses in which maka-benefits ning tawhana sa businesses, and also the business or the company is maka-benefit po niya. So karon guys, atong i-explain sa inyo unsa ang mga differences sa internal customer and external customer. So maghatag ko ninyo scenario. For example, ako usa ko ka buyer or nipalit ko og item sa pinaagi sa TikTok shop. So kaning TikTok shop pinaagi pud sa, for example, JNT Express. Pinaagi sa JNT Express. And also the delivery rider mo po na siya mag-send sa ako or mag-deliver sa ako ang item or parcel. So ang customer ato or ang external customer ato is ako kay wala man ko sa sulod sa kumpanya in which igo ra ko ni palit. And also the example of internal customer there was the delivery rider because pinaagi niya murag nag-rely ra pod ang TikTok shop para ma-deliver ang item padung sa ako. So mora to guys. That's all. Thank you.